3 employees, 1 register, and we can traffic that never quits. That sounds like your world. Your branch isn't a campus, it's a counter. And this is exactly what Meraki SD-WAN makes life really, really easy. So picture a convenience shop or boutique pop-up or some small repair counter in a corner of a larger store. You have no on-site IT. You need to open it right away, let's say Friday, not a month from today. Your credit card payments can stutter at 5 p.m. If your local broadband has any issues, you can't lose your Lana, your loyalty signups. In this reality, the winning design is simple. You gotta have something that you can plug in, turn on, and just keep on selling. Meraki is literally built for that. You can ship a device, someone can plug it in, it phones home, takes all the config without any issues. From one cloud browser, you can see every little site. You can push an update across all sites. You can keep all your policies consistent without ever touching a command line. And because retail has zero patience for outages, you can turn on cellular failover. Stop worrying about that construction crew digging up in the parking lot. So let me show you what that looks like. This right here is a Meraki Dashboard. You can see all of your networks right here that exist in your Meraki Dashboard. You can see all the locations. One very important feature of Meraki is templates. So you can actually open up a template and let's take a look at, for example, SD-WAN templatized features. I can pre-configure my IP address, and as you can see right here, I can even assign pools from certain networks, so it automatically pre-assigns them when it's assigned to a network. Makes things very easy to provision. When we bring a new device, we can go look at our inventory and we can either claim new device. So if you install a new device, you can claim it here by its serial number or cloud key. It will show up on your list of inventory, and then it's very easy to just select it, assign it to a network, for example, and well, this one's already assigned to a network. Once you assign it to a network, you will inherit all the configurations of the network, which then in turn inherits its configuration from that template. Makes things very, very easy. Another thing to quickly look at is, as I mentioned before, from our SD-WAN assurance and redundancy, you can have built-in cellular that's going to be either active or active standby with your broadband connectivity. So it makes it very portable and very easy to move into different places. As you can see here, the theme is pretty common, which is Meraki is an easy button for all things SD-WAN. In my next video, I'm going to look at something more complicated, something that actually requires you to treat your branch in a more sophisticated way, maybe have different zones, different segmentations, maybe have PCI, and that's going to be Catalyst SD-WAN. Stay tuned.